In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Salesforce consulting partner. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what each stage of the process involves so you can confidently start your application. Begin by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search field, type Salesforce Partner and press Enter. From the results, look for the official Salesforce link that mentions becoming a partner and open it. This takes you to Salesforce's partner landing area. On that page, select the option labeled Become a Partner to enter the Partner Program section. Next, choose the path for consulting services by clicking Become a Consulting Partner. This is important because Salesforce offers different partner tracks, and you want the one designed for firms that provide implementation, advisory, and managed services. Once you're in the consulting partner area, click Learn More. Take a few minutes here to read through the program highlights so you understand the benefits, expectations, and how partners are evaluated. Knowing this context makes the rest of the process much smoother. When you're ready to proceed, click the button labeled Become a Partner. This will bring you to a section that outlines the consulting partner journey. You'll see 4 key milestones presented in order. Click through each one so you understand what happens at every stage before you submit anything. The first stage is the application and due diligence questionnaire. This is where you'll provide your organization's details, the types of Salesforce services you offer, your regions, and the experience you bring to the table. Plan to be precise and consistent. If you have certifications, project examples, or references, have those handy so you can accurately represent your expertise. The goal here is to help Salesforce validate that your business is a good fit and that you can deliver quality outcomes to customers. Next is the Partner Operations Review. Internally, Salesforce will review the information you've provided. They may reach out for clarifications, so keep an eye on your inbox and respond promptly. This step helps confirm your delivery capacity, business model, and support approach. It's perfectly normal for this to take some time, and responsiveness helps keep things moving. The third stage is legal review. You'll be presented with program terms and agreements. Read them carefully, ensure your legal entity name and addresses match what you entered in your application, and involve your legal advisor as needed. You'll typically sign electronically, so make sure the signer's information is correct and authorized. Finally, there's partner activation. Once your application is approved and agreements are executed, your partner account will be activated. You'll gain access to the partner community and resources that help you ramp up, enable your team, and start engaging with customers through the Salesforce ecosystem. After you've explored those stages, scroll to find and click Submit Consulting Partner Application. You'll be redirected to the Partner Sign-up portal. If you don't already have a Salesforce username, choose Get a Salesforce Username to create an account you'll use for the partner portal. Use a company-managed email and follow the prompts to finish setup. If you already have credentials, simply select Log in with Salesforce. Once you're logged in, you'll be guided through the application form. Work methodically, save as you go, and double-check entries for accuracy before submitting. If the portal requests documentation, attach clear, up-to-date files that match the details in your form. When everything looks good, submit the application and watch for confirmation messages. To recap, you searched for the official Salesforce partner page, navigated to the consulting track, reviewed the program's 4 stages, and began the application by creating or using a Salesforce login. Take your time with each section, keep your information consistent, and be ready to respond to follow-ups during operations and legal review. With a careful, complete application, you'll be on the right path to becoming a Salesforce consulting partner.